Out back in the pile, helping a fellow pizzaiolo out. This guy's always needing wood. He's always complaining. He's behind. So I told him, I'll cut the wood. I'll supply the wood. You split. For every 3 pieces you split, I get one in my pile. There's my pile. I started before him. His pile. Some hand split in the background. When you're in the wood fire pizza game, this is like currency. There's a nice pile I stacked the other week, and look at how sad the shed is. This is terrible. So I need to start stacking all this, but getting it knocked out. Even dropped some cherry, which I'm not going to burn that in the oven, but man, is that stuff fun to split. You just breathe on it and it falls apart. It's that fucking Billy Ray wood. So we're just out here trying to build some stacks, collect some currency. Double check it, make sure it's good. I don't want to lose a splitter on the way home.
Guys, love and subscribe. Like and subscribe. It was a productive day and Sweetie was here.
Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching. God bless you.